Everyone makes mistakes because no human is perfect. This applies to our investing practices as well. In fact, lots of investors make many mistakes, especially beginners. The good news is that these mistakes are very common, which makes investing smoother because people will be able to avoid them in advance. If you want to know the common mistakes investors frequently do so that you can avoid them, then this video is for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you like this type of content. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. If you want to know all the juicy details, then make sure to watch until the very end. Number 1. Delaying your investment or not investing at all. Investing may not be on your mind due to several reasons. Maybe you're still thinking you're too young to invest. Maybe you're still waiting to enter the perfect window. There may be other reasons, but once you get older, you might ask yourself why you didn't start earlier or why you keep delaying. You could believe it is too late to start investing when you're at a particular age, especially near retirement. However, that's another excuse that can keep you away from investing. Don't you know that if you keep on skipping out on investments, then you're giving both your future self and future dependents a huge disservice? This is because you're taking your time too lightly while also wasting the opportunities you could have taken to invest. Therefore, start investing. Your future ambitions will become easier for you to achieve if you invest early. Your chances of giving yourself the life of your dreams increase the earlier you start making consistent investments. This will enable you to optimize the returns on your money and guarantee that you are prepared to support your aspirations and interests in every manner. Number 2. Investing blindly. One of the most common mistakes investors do is investing blindly. Usually, people fall for trends that can result in financial losses. Just because someone they know became rich out of it, they decided to invest in the same thing as well, hoping they will have similar results. They don't bother to do their own research and just listen to what influencers suggest without consulting financial experts. A good illustration of this is people who relied on a message on social media about specific cryptocurrencies that would allegedly quadruple in value, and then later lose their whole life savings as a result. Another example is getting scammed by others to make unwise investments. For instance, there are certain deals online that will promise you great wealth after investing a certain amount of money, only to later realize that it's a pyramid scheme. This means that the people earning the profits do not include you, only those at the top. Nothing comes to you easily when it comes to investing. This implies that in order to better grasp how things work inside them, you must investigate the specifics of how this investment functions down to its core. If it's too good to be true, then you should maintain vigilance because it might really be too good to even happen in reality. Number 3. Letting your emotions rule over you when investing. Suppose you did your very first investment. You might feel that you made the right decision. Well, making wise investments is good for your future. However, it's another story if you're letting your emotions affect your decisions regarding your investments. Investors may find it challenging to maintain concentration and make logical judgments as a result of their emotional responses to market volatility, including fear, hope, and greed. Selling cheap and purchasing high are common blunders that can make it challenging to reach long-term financial goals, and they can result from letting emotions control short-term investing decisions. Negative feelings about money might make you forget to plan or keep making bad decisions all your life. A famous situation regarding emotional investments is FOMO, or fear of missing out. People who have FOMO invest outside of their areas of expertise, comprehension, or genuine risk tolerance. Basically, since many others are doing the same thing, people gain FOMO and also believe that it will work for them as well. There's an established chart that shows the cycle of emotions investors feel about the different states of the market. This chart can help you recognize the emotions you feel during the market cycle. Number 4. Putting all of your resources in only one investment. Sometimes, it's tempting to rely on one investment because it's easier to monitor and requires less effort. However, this also poses a huge risk because if something wrong happens, you might suddenly lose everything. A good example of this is the pandemic. Due to COVID-19, many businesses closed and the market recessed because of it. Therefore, without an anchor, it is possible to experience huge financial losses. This is why it is always advised for investors to avoid putting all their eggs in one basket. The key to reaching your long-term financial goals while minimizing risk is to diversify your portfolio properly by owning a variety of assets that can assist you in making your way around market volatility. Even though this strategy cannot guarantee that you won't suffer from losses, it's much better than relying on only one investment. One of the reasons why people may be reluctant to diversify their investments is fear of losing money. But diversifying your investments can help to lower some of the risks because you're ensuring that you won't lose it all in one go. Number 5. Investing money you will soon need. If you're going to invest, you must first identify your short-term financial goals. Are there milestones you have to meet in 2 years? Are you planning to expand your business next month? Other than short-term financial goals, you should also make sure to have 3 to 6 months worth of emergency funds. Accidents may happen after all, and you can just take all your investments out of your stock holdings in a panic. This mistake is a mixture of having unclear goals, making unwise decisions, and overlooking important financial details. If you want to be rich, you should be able to tolerate risks, but if the risk won't result in profit, then it won't be worth it. For instance, if you decide to invest all your money without saving some for emergency and short-term goals, then you're risking bigger losses that won't give any returns. Who knows? You might need the money only to realize that the market is down. Then you will have no choice but to bear the losses and pull out some cash. Therefore, you need some money you can easily access from your savings account to avoid such situations. Sure, we are not perfect. However, if we can minimize our mistakes, then we'll be maximizing our rewards in return. Avoiding some of the mistakes may be hard, but if you really want to become rich, you should be able to do what it takes to reach the finish line. The top 1% richest people in the world did not get rich just because they got lucky. Remember, most of them are self-made, and they got there because they are willing to do what others won't usually do, including small activities that you think won't significantly help your financial state. Are there other mistakes we all should know? You're always welcome to comment below. If you liked our content, then please check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.